Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So my dear viewers, today I am back with another beautiful and latest video. In this video, you will see such a beautiful ideas about Christmas centerpieces. As we know, the Christmas are coming soon and everyone is waiting for this beautiful occasion and people decor their house in this occasion with and celebrate the beautiful occasion with joys and happiness. Everyone want to decor their home with beautiful and many more things and they enjoy this beautiful occasion. Christmas is celebrated worldwide every year with excitement. People were very excited decor their homes. So I am here for you, my dear viewers. You will see such stunning ideas in these videos. All my ideas are very beautiful and unique, which is decorated with colorful and unique things. All the centerpieces are very latest and trending, which is very helpful and enhance the beauty of your house. So, my dear viewers, watch my video till end, which is very helpful for you. Keep supporting me. Your support is very important for me. Keep liking my videos and share my videos with your friends, family. Subscribe my channel also and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing and unique updates. Stay blessed, stay happy, have a nice day.